Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we will learn sound of letter A. Again, sound of letter A today we will learn with words. Okay? So let's start today's lecture. Here we have one word and the word is fat. Fat. The sound of F is at. Fat. Fat. Word is fat. Our next word is cat. The sound of C is k. Cat. K a t. Cat. Word is cat. Billy. Meow. Like a word. The sound of cat is. Okay. Our next word is hat. Next word is hat. The sound of H is hat. Hat. A t. Hat. Hat. Okay, come to the next. Here you can see the word is rat. Word is rat. The sound of A is A. You know also rat. R A T. Rat. The sound of R is R. Rat. R A T. Rat. 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 Okay. Next. Mat. Mat. The sound of M is mm. The sound of A is A. Mat. A T. Mat. Mat. M A T. Mat. Mat. Okay. And next word is bat. Bat. B A T. Bat. The sound of B is B. B A T. Bat. Bat. B A T. Bat. So students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it very well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.